have some breaking inputs coming in. Didi versus ED face-off escalates. ED has now moved High Court against the Chief Minister, against Mamata Banerjee. The claim is that investigation was obstructed and documents were taken during the probe. ED has now moved High Court against the Chief Minister of West Bengal, who earlier reached the spot when the raids were underway. And you can see that file in the Chief Minister's hand. She said, our data is being taken away, our documents are being taken away. Let's go across to Rajesh. Rajesh, the Enforcement Directorate says the investigation was obstructed and documents were taken during the probe.
Absolutely. Enforcement Directorate has already moved to Calcutta High Court against the alleged obstruction during the investigation which was being done by the agency at the house of Pratik Jain, who is the director of IPAC, as well as the office of IPAC in Kolkata. During the raid, when the raid was underway, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee arrived at the house of Pratik Jain, and then after coming out while she was coming out of his house, at that time Mamata Banerjee took away some documents as per the allegation of Enforcement Directorate, and following which Mamata Banerjee has also arrived at the office of IPAC, where the raid is currently underway by the Enforcement Directorate. And against this incident, against the alleged obstruction, Enforcement Directorate has moved to Calcutta High Court. They have mentioned the matter at the single bench of Justice Shubhra Ghosh at Calcutta High Court, and the matter is likely to be heard tomorrow. But ED has also reacted against this case, as since Mamata Banerjee arrived at the location when the raid was underway, when the investigation is on, when the location was being searched by the agency. That time Mamata Banerjee reached the spot and wait inside the place where the raid was being conducted by the Enforcement Directorate. So ED has moved to Calcutta High Court against Mamata Banerjee's move, and they have protested this against this alleged obstruction done by government officials. Back to you.
All right, so the Enforcement Directorate has moved High Court now against Mamata Banerjee, the Chief Minister of West Bengal. The charge is that investigation was obstructed. We earlier saw how Mamata Banerjee reached the IPAC office when the raids were underway. Later, she was seen with some documents in her hand. She alleged that at the behest of the Home Minister, the Enforcement Directorate is conducting these raids because they want to access TMC's data. That was the charge, and then she was seen leaving with that file. Now, ED, of course, is highlighting that the investigation was not just obstructed, but the documents were taken away as well.